Hey guys, here we got a new use for the Leatherman Wave. We're gonna see if this little girl's tooth will pull out. These are strong pliers. Let's hope she doesn't cry. Hold on, hold still, hold still. Oh, it's kind of in there a little bit. Oh, there it goes. Look at that, huh? Good old Leatherman. Pull her kid's tooth out with a pair of pliers, huh? How's that feel now? It's a little bit bloody, huh? That's right, she had another tooth growing in behind her other one. So we had to get it out of there. So, there it is. Oh. There it is. It's a little tooth.